Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into Lowe's and their Black Friday or rest of the year sale. So basically, if you guys haven't checked out my previous Amazon video, I go into the importance of checking other websites for deals, especially now with everything going on and how they're doing sales this year. I always do my Amazon videos, but right now it's very important to check other websites for the best deal. What's going on is basically they're not really doing a Black Friday deal or a Christmas sale or an end of the year sale. It's really just from now until the end of the year. A lot of these larger stores and stuff are just doing a blowout sale till the end of the year. You might not find deals quite as good as Black Friday deals, but you're going to find great deals compared to earlier in the year. From now until the end of the year. Also, another thing to keep in mind, they don't know with supply and everything going on, they don't know how much of something they're going to have or when they're going to get more of that product in. It's very hard to say in today's market. So basically, you're going to find good deals, but you don't know how long that deal is going to last. Sales are going to last till the end of the year, basically. But let's say this set, once it's gone, they might get more in, but truthfully, with everything going on, they might not get this set in again for quite a while. So it's going to be up to you you might not even see these deals, some of these deals, when you go to get on the website. It's really up to you to kind of check in to see what kind of deals they have going on from now until the end of the year. So just keep that in mind. But today we're going to be going through Lowe's and their end of the year sale. We're just going to go over some of the products, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But I just did want to mention that it's a huge sale. It's some really good deals, and it's worth checking out, and especially important to compare to other sites to make sure that you're getting the best deal, because buying tools can be expensive. Why not try and save as much as you can while finding what you need? So first up, you have that 20 volt max half-inch brushless cordless drill. So this one's on sale from $160 down to $100, a savings of $60. Pretty good. You get 2 batteries and a charger and a carrying case. That's about what you would normally see this set on sale. This is one of the more common sets that you would see on sale. This is something you don't necessarily see all that often. Normally, somebody's not going out to buy a bag with a couple batteries and a charger, but that's actually a pretty good deal due to the fact that it includes the bag and the charger. I know when I went to go buy 2 5 amp hour batteries, they were $200 by themselves. So I mean, either way, buying batteries from Dewalt is not cheap. Their batteries are fairly expensive. $189 down from $220 on the Craftsman table saw. You got the Cobalt lineup, which, if you don't know, Cobalt, all of their 24 volt tools are brushless, and then their XTR is like their top of the line for the Cobalt cordless tools. So here you get the 24 volt half-inch drive impact, a battery, and a charger. The savings of $50 is now at $220 from $270. It's a 4 amp hour battery with 1,200 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. That's a lot of nut-busting. And 750 foot-pounds of fastening torque. You got a couple Craftsman Toolboxes. I haven't been a fan of the Craftsman Toolboxes. If you need something and you're kind of in a hurry, I mean, I guess I could understand. The sales prices here aren't terrible. I just haven't been impressed with the Craftsman even when they're assembled in the USA. They're not the best deal out there. There are so many other brands that you can get better quality. I just feel like the material is flimsy and the drawer slides just aren't up to par with even some of the cheaper boxes. Just my personal opinion. More Craftsman. Here's a DeWalt 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. $400 down from $500. It's still a little pricey. Another Craftsman 2000 series. It's another thing I wanted to mention with like the battery kit. It is down at $200. So like I said, I almost bought the batteries at $200 alone. Almost. I did not. But you also get to select a free gift, and you can either get 3 5 amp hour batteries. You can get a cordless grinder, the leaf blower, an impact. Looks like a couple items may be sold out. Brushless router, oscillating tool. I mean, you got quite a bit of stuff here. you're basically getting a free tool with a couple of larger amp hour batteries. So I think for $200 that's a good deal, especially considering I almost bought just 2 batteries for $200, and I'm glad I did not. Here is another Dewalt set. This is a 12 volt set for $200, and then once again with the 12 volt you also get a free gift included with this purchase as well. With the 12 volt lineup, see here you can see hurry last day, they will continue to change throughout the next couple months. You can get the job site radio, that's not a bad deal, $100. You can get the reciprocating saw for $140. Well, you get it for free, but that's the value of it. I wouldn't worry about the light. That's cordless impact wrench and a circular saw. So those are your options for that set. And some of these don't even show that they are on sale. I am looking directly at the sale page. So here's another Dewalt set, 20 volt brushless. Seems like they have a lot of Dewalt stuff on sale right now. Down from $200 to $100. Another one here is a drill set with 2 batteries, a charger, the drill, and a hard case. $200, and then you get a free gift with that one as well. Here's a pretty decent set, down from $700 to $450. If you're looking for a wide variety of different home improvement tools, this is definitely a good set, or a lot of variety included. It's not like their top of the line stuff. Like, it's like their mid-range drill and impact driver, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, circular saw. So a pretty decent little set there. And the carrying case, which is a nice little case as well. Here are more Craftsman boxes. So it seems like a lot of Dewalt stuff and a lot of Craftsman boxes are on sale right now. Here they have the Craftsman 239 piece mechanic set, down from $200 to $100. This is what you would normally see around the holiday sale pricing and everything. A decent little set, 239 pieces for $100 is a pretty good deal. I'm not a big Craftsman Tools fan anymore nowadays. A lot of their stuff to me seems overpriced, but when you can find them on sale, sometimes you can find some good stuff. Here's a Cobalt set, down from $300 to $250, and you get a charger, a flashlight, impact driver, drill, and reciprocating saw. I've never cared for these lights that they throw into these kits, whether it's DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, Ryobi. It doesn't matter the brand. I've just never been a big fan of these. I feel like it's a waste, and then I'm using a battery that I would normally use with a tool that I actually use. I'll just buy my own rechargeable light and deal with it that way. But other than that, that's the only complaint I have about that, and it's not necessarily this kit, just those kits in general that throw these lights in there. I don't know if it's to make the set look bigger, but I don't know many people that use these. And then with this, you are going to get a free gift. So you got the oscillating multi-tool, the angle grinder, the orbital sander, reciprocating saw, the cordless circular saw. This is a miniature one. Here you kind of have a better version of that flashlight, but I'd just stay away from those. The cordless ratchet, the cordless die grinder, screw gun. I'm not a big fan of those small screw guns either. That's what an impact driver's for. A 2000 lumen rechargeable work light. Here's a nice cordless impact wrench for really tight spaces. These things are fantastic. Same thing with the cordless drill when you're working in tight areas. Circular saw. So a lot of different options to select for a free gift on your Cobalt set that is now at $250 from $300. And then also keep in mind that Lowe's will have these one-day deals going on as well. So it's always nice to just, whenever you have time, if you get bored, just check in and see what their daily deals are, because you can find some good ones there as well. Here you have a Bosch circular saw. This is the 18 volt 6.5 inch. And with this at $120 you get a free gift, but they're basically just throwing. That's a joke. That's a joke. One battery and a charger for $130. You are out of your mind. That's the value of it. Here you have the 20 volt brushless XR half-inch drive impact for $250, down from $320. It is going to come with a charger, a bag, a 4 amp hour battery, This is going to have up to 700 foot-pounds of max torque and 1200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So a pretty decent little impact driver impact there. Like this Craftsman Versus Stack 216 piece set. I would really like to see this thing go on sale for like $100 like their other 3-drawer. Because I actually use the Craftsman Versus Stack and it's held up very well for me. But I am definitely not willing to drop $200 on this set. Here's a Cobalt 232 piece set similar to that Craftsman set. Down from $200 to $100. I don't know if that bottom drawer is just like empty space or just storage in the front of it, but there's another good little tool kit. A Cobalt two-piece kit. This is an impact driver and drill, 24-volt battery, probably the 2 amp hour battery and charger, and carrying case. And once again, that Cobalt 24-volt lineup is all brushless tools, so a savings of $50. Here's the Cobalt half-inch drive impact. I think we looked at the XTR already. This is the just standard brushless 24-volt. So it provides up to 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, and that is all it states here. So not quite as powerful as the other one, a little bit larger than the other one, and a little bit cheaper. So really a savings of $20, but you are also going to get a free gift with this one. So here are your options on that. So a pretty good selection. With the Cobalt lineup, the sets that are throwing in free gifts are definitely providing a wide variety of different tools to choose from. So definitely some good deals through Cobalt right now. Craftsman Shop Vac, you can save $5. With the Bosch stuff, like I said earlier, really the only thing they're doing is throwing in a battery and charger. Here you're getting it's not on sale, but you get a drill, battery, impact driver, charger, and a Cobalt organizer, which is actually, I would say this is a pretty decent deal. You can run your power cord up there. You got a power strip. You got a spot to hold 4 power tools. You got a pegboard on the side, a couple things for adjustable shelving. I think that's a pretty good deal right there, even at a non-discounted price. Here you got a couple of Cobalt compound miter saws, one at $280 down from $300, and one at $130 down from $190. Aluminum adjustable work platform. These things are actually really handy. This one's down from $125 to $100. I'm actually looking into getting a larger one than the small one that I have right now, so I might do some shopping around for that. Craftsman half-inch drive click style torque wrench, down from $95 to $50. Here they have a Craftsman half-inch drive drill with battery and a charger for $60. Here they have a 227-piece tool set from Cobalt, down from $215 to $100. I'm not sure what kind of case it comes in. Okay, so it's basically like the one that we looked at earlier. Got some Metabo tools on sale as well. But that was the first basically 6 pages there on the Lowe's deals for the rest of the year. And like I say at the beginning of the video, these are going to constantly change. So just check in every week or so if you're looking for something specific and see if that tool's on sale. A lot of great deals, maybe not. Like I stated, maybe not as great as the Black Friday day deals, but some really good deals going on. A lot of free gifts being thrown in with sets, so definitely don't miss out on that. But this is the Lowe's Black Friday end of the year sale video. Stay tuned. I may do an updated version of this in 2 or 3 weeks, and then I'm also going to be posting a Home Depot deal video, so stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.